So today's video is regarding unboxing and quick setup of Canon pixma TS3120 printer. You can see we can use it with the mobile device for printing. It is wireless and we can do number of things like copy, scan, print. So let's start with that. So power cable has to be inserted at the back side one end, so that goes here, and the other end will go to the electrical plug. So we press the power button. So the printer is on. We open the front chamber. So now we can see inside the printer. Once we open the front portion, like we can insert the cartridges there, and for that we just ready the cartridge first. So this is 243 number black cartridge. That's 244 color cartridge. So just remove the backing, remove these stickers. Now the black is written here, that's on the right hand side, and color is on the left hand side. So just slightly insert it inside and let it go itself, and then just press it inwards. Same for the color cartridge. Just insert it, let it go. So just let it go and just press it little bit inside. So that's done. Now close the chamber. Now open this tray and we insert few pages here according to the size of the page. So for that I'm going to place a sheet here. Close the lid. Now go to the display panel and press the stop button. The screen, it comes up 0, and now press the black once, so you will see here. So it's going to copy and print. So that's, you can see it has printed. So that's the way we can quickly set up this printer. Thanks for watching.